Good morning, guys. So we are here at Windrock Park General Store getting some gas, fueling up for the day. Me and Shelby in the Subaru are fixing to hit the trails. There's no guided rides today, so we decided to do our own thing for a little while, and then we'll be back in time for the raffle. But anyways, yeah, we're headed up to the windmills and the overlook, different set of windmills. I'm pretty sure, I don't know, we'll see in a second. But anyways, yeah, we're fixing to head out on the trail. It's gonna be an awesome day. Okay guys, we just got on to G2, something a little more tricky, something a little more technical. G1 was a lot of fun, but we're on G2 now. guy in the new Razor just had to winch over this rock. We're gonna see if the Subi can make it, because we don't have a winch. So here we go. It's gonna be awfully embarrassing for that guy when it does. I'll have to give it some of that gambler throttle. Subi don't need no winch yet. Look at that, folded right up. Didn't even spin one time. Well, so much for the Razor 900. Brand new, brand spanking new, a 900 Razor. We just watched winch over that rock. Kind of odd. First time on the trail. Everybody has their first time. Usually you see a Razor winching over something, you're like, okay, the Subaru might not make it. Not even a little bit of trouble. Just finished G2 in the Subaru, and now we are headed to Trail 22. It's supposed to be pretty difficult, so we'll see. Hey, just got on to Trail 22. Let's see what it has to offer. Stock 89 Toyota pickup truck. Stock, it's not stock Subaru, of course. It's got a 2-inch lift on it and 31, 10, 50, 16s. But I think they just redid this trail. I'm not sure, we'll see. Having a lot of fun today though. A lot of cool trails. That yummy? I just seen a marker that said Trail G5, so 22 and G5 may be the same thing, I'm not sure. There wasn't a trail that went up when I seen that marker, so. But we definitely, when we turned in, it said 22, but I just seen a thing that said G5. We'll see. Oh, see some bouncers, some crawlers. Here we go off of G5 on to 22. It's already looking interesting. Ready? What's up, guys? So we just got back to the campground. Shelby has got his Subaru loaded up and he is headed home. I am now headed down to the pavilion to get me some barbecue and get ready for the driver's raffle and the raffle. It was an awesome day on the trail. Awesome day. We did Trail 22, which just reopened. Super intense for a Subaru, as you guys saw. But anyways, yeah, we got Officer Clark here dressed up, ready to take some folks to jail. And then, yeah, we're doing the raffle after we get some food inside of our bellies, so stay tuned.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway.
What's up, guys? So it's been an awesome week. Not quite a full week, but it's been an awesome few days of riding. We rode Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Did a lot of really cool things. Met a lot of really cool new people. Always meet new people here. Pretty much meet new people everywhere I go. But something about the grease in my mullet just attracts them like flies on Mountain Dew or something. I don't know. But anyways, it's really been an awesome week, and it was a really good turnout. Even though they only let 100 people register, still had a lot of cool folks. So we are packed up, we are loaded. There's hardly anybody here. There may be like 1 or 2 trailers here left, and we are headed back to Pall Mall. Really had some awesome neighbors, Tony and Sherry, great folks. Got to meet Sherry for the first time, super cool lady. Got to meet Tony and Sherry, Tony and Sherry were great folks. Awesome camping beside them. We had a fire last night, stayed up till probably midnight or so, pretty much every night, midnight or later. And so yeah, looking forward to next year already. Definitely got me inspired to start working on the 60 a little bit more and get it going, because you're definitely not seeing as many of those as you used to. But not only that, I just would rather have my Land Cruiser back. This thing is going up for sale as soon as I get home. This truck is. I'll spray it off, clean it up really good, and put it on the auction block. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you really just love this video, just go on over and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you just hated this video, then just go on over and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there's lots of other videos that are not like this at all. This is my first 4-wheel drive video. Even though I've been doing this for years, this is the first time I made a video on it. So yeah, thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. If you've made it this far in the video, you're probably one of my super fans. And comment down below and I'll let you run your fingers through my greasy mullet. Did you have fun this week?
Yeah.
Camping?
Yeah.
And off-roading?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about the whole thing?
Getting candy at the prison.
Getting candy at the prison?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you guys played with your friends you met last night?
Yeah.
Yeah.